Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through your Instagram messages to find your first one? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily see your very first Instagram message without having to scroll. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to your inbox. After that, tap and select any conversation that you like. So now, in order to see the very first message that you sent in this particular conversation, tap on the top middle of the screen, closer to the status bar. As you can see, it instantly took me to the start of this conversation. If you have a lot of messages sent in the conversation, or if it didn't load all of the messages and is slowly loading them, you might have to tap the top middle of your screen a couple of times to go to the very top of the conversation and see that first Instagram message. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.